Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a simple website using Google Workspace tools so you can have a basic business or personal site quickly. So first, you will have to decide whether you will use Google Sites or a third-party website builder connected to your Workspace domain. Next, in Google Sites, you will have to click Create. You will have to, of course, first search for Google Sites, and then once you're here, you will just have to click that, and once you're in Google Sites, you will see a create option or a feature, and then you will just go ahead and choose a template or a blank site. And after that, you will just add pages, and then you will insert text, images, and embed drive documents or calendar using the insert menu. Then you will set the site's sharing settings, which is who can view, and then publish the site to a custom URL. Use your connected domain in the publishing options. And finally, you will just have to test the pages, update navigation, and share the site link. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have a good day.